we have the following differential equation and we need to reduce it to a variable separable form. So let us begin. So here we will consider x minus 1 to be equals to some variable v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x gives us 1 minus dy over dx equals to dv over dx. Solving for dy over dx, we have dy over dx equals to 1 minus dv over dx. Now we'll use this and substitute this into our original differential equation so that we get 1 minus dv over dx instead of dy over dx, and that will be equals to, in the numerator we have x minus y plus 3, so that will be v plus 3 whole divided by 2v plus 5. So now we have dv over dx equals to 1 minus v plus 3 divided by 2v plus 5, which is equals to 2v plus 5 minus v minus 3 whole divided by 2v plus 5. So this is dv over dx. That gives us v plus 2 divided by 2v plus 5. Now we can separate the differentials to get dx equals to 2v plus 5 divided by v plus 2 dv. Now what we have done, we have successfully reduced the given differential equation to a separable form. So that means now we can integrate both sides. Right, integration of dx will be pretty straightforward, so that's simply x. Now to integrate the term on the right hand side, so what we'll do, we'll write the numerator as 2v plus 4 plus 1 whole divided by v plus 2 times dv, so that this gives us 2 times v plus 2 plus 1 divided by v plus 2 dv, or simply equals to 2 times integration dv plus integration dv over v plus 2. So this is our x. So we have x equals to 2 times integration of dv will be v plus integration of dv over v plus 2. So that's natural log of v plus 2 plus the constant of integration c. Now in place of v, we'll have to replace with x minus y. So we have x equals to 2 times x minus y plus natural log of v, so that is x minus y plus 2 plus the constant of integration c. And when you simplify this particular expression, our final result will be of the form 2y minus x equals to log of x minus y plus 2 plus the constant of integration c. So this is the required solution to the given differential equation.